Mine isn't, I don't think. Oh, let's find out. No blinky thinky. Alright.
I have a smaller battery, so.
Yeah, this is our training at slow speeds. Ooh, damn, you're getting close. Look at that. Oh, nice. I'll make sure I'm facing the right way. You ready?
Yeah, ready.
Go. What the hell? Wind flying all wonky.
This battery is perfect.
Doing the whip and touch and go.
Sure, let's do it.
Got to get more lined up.
Should we come from the left?
Can if you want. Okay.
Alright, let's do a approaches again. Now we should just go crazy. Like, just go Immelman, come back down. All crazy. Alright. Further step.
Okay.
Dude! That's...
It's a low KV motor and a high pitch prop.
You're cheating. Alright. You gonna drop it?
Go. We didn't even plan that and it worked. We both touch at the same time. Blink, blink.
So funny. Let's do that again.
Okay.
I'm gonna go even higher.
Oh crap. Okay.
Oh, wow. You are like...
I'm a little.
What the shit? Dude!
I'm up there.
Dude!
Okay, coming down. Oh, you did rolls and everything on the way down?
Oh, wow.
Whoa, shit.
Time
Okay.
remaining 7 minutes.
What? What the hell? I know we want to go crazy, but damn. I think that was too high.
Yeah.
Let's whip it from like right here. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, go down. There we go. Now we'll line up. Hey, we can't flinch. Just gotta keep going. It's like, oh, a little off to the side. We're good. All right.
Alright, whip it!
Go. Get your way ahead. Too much damn fun. All right, I'm coming down. Hey, that was pretty damn perfect right there. We were lined up. Mine too, because we're going full bore. Do you have telemetry on that one?
I have no telemetry of this sucker.
You realize we didn't try.
No, we didn't.
And it was perfect.
We did zero.
We did a little bit of drifting, but we still made it work.
Oh man.
Oh, this is hilarious. This is hilarious. We don't even try. We don't even try. What the? After all that good flying, you drive off the damn road. Don't flip it. There you go. Touch and go in front of you. Oh, you better get that right. I'm impressed with how well this thing flies when you sort it out.
Yeah.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Oh, I missed it. I missed it. I gotta hit.
Oh, that was pretty cool.
I gotta hit rudder before we run out of airspeed.
Yeah.
There we go. There we go. Whoa, snap. I'm gonna do one over there. To the left. There we go. That look cool. All right, I'm out. Gotta come in.
I agree. I think we're all out. And I'm flying a 3300, keep in mind.
Oh, I got a 4000 in there, but I was pushing it.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Shit. What the fucking crap? Don't land on me. What the fuck are you doing? I'm like, what the hell? I almost want to do it again. Like, no. No. No.
Dude, that was so cool for the video though.
No. I'm starting to like this thing. No. Oh, I got power. I'm still good. Crazy guy. Fucking nut. What the hell? Is he gonna land on top of me? The fuck? No.
Better have that on video.
No. Oh, it's there. Don't worry. No.
Dude, I'm really out though. I'm hitting full throttle. I think my packs are probably like at 12 volts right now.
Oh crap. That was funny.
That was
I think I'm still good. I got another 2 now.
You're probably good.
I just don't have the climb I did.
Yeah, I noticed that I did not have the climb.
I'm still doing alright. I just can't go full bore. I mean, straight up. I'm like, what? I'm like, hey! So you gonna land on me or what? Don't be landing on me. Don't be landing on me now.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Doesn't look like you're using much rudder.
It doesn't use a lot. If you use too much, it does weird stuff. So that's where it stops. This is the one thing I like doing with it is you do a touch and go downwind,
It does work better now.
then whip it does because of this plane, and then whip it back around and do another one into the wind. It's just,
Is this the Model Y?
I think it is. This wasn't meant to be a racer. This is supposed to be like a sport plane. Whatever it is, it's a hell of a lot of fun.
It is. Crazy. Crazy amount of fun.
The fuck was that? I gotta do the walk of shame. I hit the damn seam. You have to land it right. If you don't land it right, I gotta do that again. What? You going back?
Oh, hell yeah.
Alright, let's get it right this time. No tippy, no tippy. Woohoo! Oh, I can't say the same for you. Oh shit, he's going all his own way.
Oh, man. This battery's
Oh, it's gonna be mad at you.
10, 9,
Uh, uh, uh.
8,
I'm done, I'm done.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
That was some fun shit though.
Oh, boy.
Listen to that motor wanting to do your radial. No way around it with this thing.